अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बिस्मा टेक। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह ताला आपको खैरियत से रखे, खुश रखे, अपने हिफ्ज़-ओ-मान में रखे, आमीन आमीन। सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल पर न्यू है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द पिग फार्मर। देयर वंस वाज अ पुअर बॉय नेम्ड फिलिप who had nothing in this great big world other than a tiny plot of grass, five stinky pigs, an old falling down shack, and rickety fence surrounding in it all. Every morning Philip would feed the pigs, then spend the rest of his day dreaming of better life, where the wife where he was a prince who ruled over a kingdom. And day after day he fed the pigs and dreamed, but his life never improved. In fact, as time passed, his cross grown, his pig became even stinker, and the shack finally did fall down. The only thing he had going for him in this great big world was that the fence surrounding it all was still standing. When Philip gathered together the tools he needed to fix the fallen down shacks, he also took an inventory of what he had that might help him reach his dream of becoming a prince. In his toolbox, he had a saw, a hammer, and some old rusty nails. In his life, all he had was his imagination. If you did not count the brown grass, stinky pigs fallen down shack, and the fence surrounding it all. So with his imagination, Philip went to work. Instead of repairing the shack, he felt it better and stronger than before, and he built it to look like a tiny castle. When he finished with his castle, he dug a tiny moat and filled it with water, which he used to water the grass and wash his stinky pigs. He even repaired the fence that did not need repairing, so it would look more like the gates of faraway kingdom, where the king lived with the queen and their beautiful daughter Princess Petunia. Oh, Princess Petunia, the most beautiful princess in the world. Philip often dreamed of sharing his tiny kingdom with someone who made his heart sing and his soul dance. Since he was now in the habit of making his dreams come true, he resolved to marry Princess Petunia. Philip took inventory again. The only thing he had in his tiny kingdom that would impress a beautiful princess were a beautiful rose that grew under a tree on a nearby hill, and nightingale nightingale who sang the most beautiful songs from a branch on that tree. So Philip took beautiful cage and set off that day for away kingdom. When he arrived, Philip presented the rose and the nightingale to the king, the queen, and the princess. I am Prince Philip, he said, and I have come to. From what kingdom? Asked the queen. Philip said, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। तो हमें याद रखिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।